Don't panic when you encounter a blue screen error. I'm going to show you how to fix this problem step by step. Let's begin. Click on Advanced Options, select Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options. Now select Command Prompt. Now type chkdsk space /f space /r space c colon and hit enter. Now we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Type c colon, then hit enter. Type cd space c colon / and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space windows and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd system32 and hit enter. Now type cd space config and simply press enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type md space backup and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type copy space ** space backup and simply hit enter. Now type md backup1 and hit enter. Now type copy space ** space backup1 and hit enter. Type in cd space regback, then simply hit enter. Execute this command. Type dir, then simply hit enter. Now type copy space ** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Now type in bootrec space /fixboot and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type in cd space c colon / and simply hit enter to execute the command. Let's execute this command. Type cd space windows /system32 /config /regback, then simply we need to hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type bcd edit space /export space c colon /bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Then move to the next one. Now type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Now type this md space boot and hit enter. Now type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and hit enter. Now type cd space c colon / and simply hit enter. Now type attrib space c colon -boot -bcd space -h space -r space -s and hit enter to execute. Type in ren c colon /boot /bcd bcd.old and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.